Hello class 4. Today we are going to learn about solids, liquids and gases. Chapter 6. Look around on your study table. You can see things made of different materials. You can see things made of wood, metal, plastic, glass, etc. All these materials are given a common name called matter. Children, do you know what is matter? Matter, any substance that has weight and occupies space is called matter. According to this definition, matter should have two things: weight, occupy space. What is weight? Weight means how heavy an object is. Occupies means amount of place it uses. So, if anything is matter, it should have weight, it should occupy space. What is matter made up of? Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules or atoms. So, based on the arrangement of molecules in any substance, matter exists in three states. This depends on the arrangement of molecules in an object. What are three states? Three states in which matter exists: solids, liquids and gases. Solids. In solids, the molecules are very closely packed. They do not have space between them to move. That is why solids have a definite shape, size and volume. Solids can be hard or soft. The shape of some solids can be changed by applying force. For example, a metal wire can be bent by twisting or can be flattened into a sheet by hitting it with a hammer. Some solids do not bend. They break into smaller pieces when force is applied on them. For example, glass. Liquids. In liquids, the molecules are not very closely packed. There is some space between the molecules. This allows the molecules to move. That is why liquids do not have definite shape. Liquids flow when they are left on the flat surface. That is why liquids are also called fluids. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. So, liquids are kept in a vessel. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Liquids have a definite volume. So, the amount of the liquid remains same even if it takes shape of the container. Gas. Molecules in a gas are placed far apart from each other. There is lot of space between them, so they can freely move about in any direction. Hence, gases do not have a definite shape nor they have a definite volume. They take up all the space around. States of matter are interchangeable. You already know that water can exist in all the three states of matter. In normal condition, water exists in its liquid state, but when it is heated, it becomes water vapor and exists in its gaseous state. When it is cooled, it becomes ice and exists in its solid state. Like water, most other substances too change their state when they are heated or cooled, but the temperature at which they change their state is different from different substances. When a solid is heated, its molecules loosen up, it melts and changes into a liquid. This process is called melting. When a liquid is heated, the molecules become free. The liquids change into gas and vapor state. This process is called evaporation. When a gas is cooled, its molecules condense or come closer. The gas change back into liquid. This process is called condensation. When a liquid is cooled, its molecules come closer. They freeze into a close pack and turn into solid. This process is called freezing. When a solid substance is dissolved in a liquid, the mixture formed is called a solution. The solid substance which dissolves in liquid is called a solute. The liquid is called a solvent. In the above activity, sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and the sweet water is the solution. The ability of a solute to dissolve in a solvent is known as solubility. Water is known as the universal solvent because it can dissolve a wide variety of substances. Substances that dissolve in water are soluble in it, while those that do not dissolve in water are insoluble in it. Thank you, children.